Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to get rid of gnats. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. Despite their small size, gnats can become a major nuisance if allowed to live in homes and gardens. When gnats and fruit flies reproduce, they become even more of a problem. Gnats can be extremely dangerous to your family because they feed on plants and blood. They also transmit parasites and diseases to humans and livestock. When dealing with these pests, both indoors and outdoors, there are numerous crucial factors to remember. To begin, it is critical to understand the many types of gnats and the strategies you could use to permanently get rid of the gnats in your home. Last but not least, you know what precautions to take to ensure they do not return to your home in the near future. Gnats have similar appearances due to their size, although they are tiny and usually black in color. The most frequent type of gnat that most people will encounter is the houseplant gnat. If the soil quality is inadequate, the houseplant gnat has a higher chance of appearing at home. Gnats typically live for 7 to 8 days. The drainfly is another common type of gnat that can be quite annoying. This sort of gnat can be found in your bathroom and kitchen sink. Remember that these gnats reproduce quickly, so it's in your best interest to get rid of them as soon as possible. There are simple, ready-made solutions that will get rid of these gnats in a matter of minutes. This DIY solution is not only simple to use, but it is also environmentally and financially friendly. Although pesticides can be used to keep these pesky tiny insects at bay, the presence of dangerous chemical compounds may be hazardous to you and your family. Here are a few home treatments for getting rid of gnats in your home and outside. Honey attracts all types of gnats, both indoors and outside. Insects are drawn to them by their bright colors and sweet aroma. A DIY honey gnat trap can help keep these unpleasant pests at bay. Simply cut a few pieces of yellow plastic and put pure honey to it to attract the fungus gnats. To trap these pesky flies, place the plastics in or near corners where they tend to congregate. If you don't have pure natural honey on hand, you can substitute petroleum jelly. However, honey is more effective due to its sweetness. Ammonia and olive oil. Vegetable oil, or any other oil, is an excellent source of insect attraction. Ammonia, on the other hand, is known to kill germs and living organisms in addition to its odor. However, instead of the noxious odor of ammonia, a couple of spoons of baking soda might be used. This mixture will kill the gnat and its larvae and eggs that are dwelling in your kitchen or bathroom drainage. Pour a small amount of cooking oil into the sink to keep the bugs together. Pour a small amount of ammonia into the sink after they have gathered. Make sure you don't use the sink for a few hours and that it's well cleaned, as ammonia is hazardous to humans. Have you ever brought houseplants into your home or office? Maybe bought them to introduce some nature into your interior spaces, and after a week or so start noticing these annoying little black flying things darting between you and your computer screen. Ugh, you've got a case of fungus gnats. Fungus gnats look like fruit flies or tiny mosquitoes, but they are not related and they don't bite. They can be introduced from plants that have unsterilized soil. Poinsettias can be the worst, or even from cut flowers, especially from the stinky old vase water.